What's up, everybody? Welcome to A-Look Big Pin. Today we're going to install advanced adapters heavy duty transfer case cable. Say that 5 times real fast. Let's get started. Alright, so in the last video we noticed that the cable was messed up. I'd get 4 high and latch in just fine, then nothing. So in this video we're going to replace the cable. And the cable we're going to replace with is from Advanced Adapters. I would suggest pulling your front door to give you a little more access, because you're going to be going in and out of here a lot. Might as well just pull it. Here I'm removing the front portion of the center console. It's just some tabs in place. Pop them up and you should be able to just pull it right out after you remove the transfer case shift handle. And to remove it, you just pull straight up on it as hard as you can. It's really stiff, but it will come up. So Advanced Adapters says that all you gotta do is take off this section here. We're gonna see what happens, but I feel like I'm gonna have to take the whole console out to do what I need to do, but we'll see. I've got the red arrows pointed at the last 2 nuts that are needed to take off the transfer case shift console. Here I'm trying to take the cover off of the transfer case shift console so I can get to the last nut to be able to remove the whole console. The front popped off fairly easy by just kind of prying out. The rear I had a little more trouble, but it was able to get a screwdriver in there, pry out a little bit, and break it free. Put this one back here. There's that side. See if we can get this other side to. There it goes. Damn. I'll put that in the neutral position. Yeah, see that last one? Oh, get the light in the way. That last one is all the way down there. Figured I'd try the headlamp mount on the GoPro. I'm not sure how this video is going to turn out. Looking like it's just going to kind of be all over the place. Alright, so yep, there's still one more. How's the saying go? And just like that, it's out. Oh, and just like that, it's out. Alright, so you really just can't be scared to pop this off. It looks like it's really tight, and it is, but it'll just pop right out. I guess you really shouldn't just be scared of it, and that's kind of what I've got going on right now. I'm a little timid to break something that I shouldn't be breaking, but now this is completely freed. The cable's loose of everything. Now we got it out on the bench. Take this little star washer off. Should be able to just push this through. Might have to tap it through with a little hammer. Let's just try with this. Just like that. Pin comes out. This is removed. So to get this, we gotta get this out now. So we can, this is gonna be the new piece for that. So I don't have a press, so I'm just gonna vise it up. I lost the footage of me getting the pin out and then drilling out the bracket. All right, now that we've got this far, got the bracket on, got the shift linkage in, time to install the cable. Through here. Loosely run the nut in, because all this may have to be adjusted. Alright, so directions say shift lever all the way to the rear, and then to adjust the heim to where it's an 1/8 inch past that travel. So right there is pretty close to even. So I run this nut here in till I get to be about an 1/8 inch past. All the way in, 1/8 inch pass. I feel like that's pretty close. 1/4 20. Okay, let the lock nut do the work. Just get it down tight. Don't need to He-man it. Okay. These are probably still just hand tight. I wouldn't tighten those down just yet because we still may have to adjust those. Okay, so I feel like I've got it. I've got it all bolted up here, snug down. Because I have the non-Rubicon transfer case, I had to use this spacer right here. But my heim joint's locked down. I've got to lock these down still. But I shifted, too high to 4 high to neutral to 2 low, and everything felt good, sounded good. The only thing I need to do, I guess, I'm gonna tighten everything up and then take it outside, and actually engage the different gears. But it feels like I'm where I need to be. So I'm gonna tighten these here down, tighten these down, get these tightened down. And there's 2 more in the cab that I'll need to tighten down. And I feel like I might be there. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the video. I got a little bit more to do, just put the drive shaft and the transfer case skid back on. I got a trip planned for the first of the year. Also, be on the lookout for some videos that I have done on this Jeep. Control arms, rear drive or rear axle shaft seals, and I believe I got a drag link one as well. So I've got some videos coming up for this one. And then first of the year, I think we're going to get into some wheeling. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it, and hope to wheel with some of you in the future.